November 18th is National Entrepreneurs Day, a celebration honoring the visionaries who turn ideas into thriving businesses, fueling innovation and economic growth. Founded in 2010 by entrepreneurs David Hauser and Siamak Tagados, this day recognizes the vital role entrepreneurs play in job creation, community development, and inspiring future generations. From small startups to global enterprises, entrepreneurs embody ambition and perseverance, transforming challenges into success. Today is the perfect moment to celebrate their drive and support local businesses. Stay inspired. Subscribe and follow NWZ today for more empowering stories.